Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Here I want to show you step by step how to buy the cryptocurrency Litecoin. This we're gonna do on the crypto exchange Binance. Binance is the biggest crypto exchange in the world right now and also has the lowest trading fees of only 0.1%. And if you use the link in the video description, you save another 20% so that you actually pay 0.08%. So at first you do registration, therefore I put the link in the video description. If you click it, you come to the right registration page and the 20% trading fee discount is also automatically activated. After you created your account, you just log in at Binance and go to the dashboard, and from the dashboard you click in the menu and click here on identification. The identification is necessary to be able to deposit some money, therefore you just do it by clicking here on this verify button. And if you want to increase your limit, you can also do address verification. After the identity verification is done, you are able to deposit some money by clicking here on buy crypto and then on bank deposit. Here you just choose your currency and your payment method. You can use bank transfer and credit card, but you can also click here on crypto. There you can deposit, for example, Bitcoin. After you just type in this field how much money you want to transfer and then on continue. Now you get the bank details which you need for the bank transfer, so just use them and do the wire transfer. After 1 to 3 business days the money should arrive. When the money has arrived, you can click here on wallet and then on fiat and spot. There you get an overview of all your assets and you can also check if your fiat money is available, for example in my case euro. If the money has arrived, we can start now buying Litecoin, but at first we have to buy Bitcoin, and with Bitcoin we can buy Litecoin. So just search for Bitcoin and click on trade. Here you just choose your trading pair for your local currency. In my case it would be Bitcoin euro. After you come to the trading view where you can buy Bitcoin. Here you just scroll down and click on market order, and here you just type in how much money you want to invest in Bitcoin. You can also define in this with this adjustable bar how much of your available balance you want to use to buy Bitcoin. So for example 50% or more, and if this is fine you just click here on buy Bitcoin. After you go back into the spot wallet, and here we can now buy Litecoin with Bitcoin. Therefore we just search for it and click here on trade, and now we choose the trading pair Litecoin Bitcoin. Now you can buy Litecoin with Bitcoin, therefore we just scroll down, click here on market order, and here you just type in how much Bitcoin you want to use to buy Litecoin, but you can also use this adjustable bar to define how much of your Bitcoin you want to use to buy Litecoin. If this is fine, you just click here on buy Bitcoin, buy Litecoin. And if you, for example, want to sell your Litecoin, you just go to the right side and define here how much Litecoin you want to sell and click here on sell Litecoin. Yeah, that's it for the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice day. Give it a like and subscribe, and bye bye.